What happens to human creativity when a machine can paint faster than Picasso, write deeper than poets, and compose music in seconds? Because here's the question shaking the entire art world right now. Should AI even be allowed to create art? Or are we opening the door to the end of human creativity itself? This debate matters because art is not just decoration, it's one of the deepest expressions of what it means to be human. But today, AI tools can create paintings, music, stories, even entire films at speeds and scales no human can match. Artists fear being replaced. Tech companies see a revolution. Audiences are caught in the middle, wondering, is AI expanding creativity or stealing it? And here's the real tension. If machines can create anything, what role is left for us? Let's start with the controversial claim. AI should be allowed to create art because it unlocks creative power humans never had before. Think about it. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't fear judgment, and it doesn't spend years learning technique. It can take millions of styles, cultures, and ideas and remix them into something completely new. Point one, AI expands creativity, not replaces it. With AI, a musician can visualize their sound. A painter can generate fresh styles they never imagined. A filmmaker can storyboard a scene in seconds. AI is not a competitor, it's a creative amplifier, a tool that turns imagination into reality faster than ever before. Point two, AI makes art more accessible. You no longer need expensive equipment or elite training to create something beautiful. A teenager in a small village can design a digital masterpiece. A person with disabilities can make animations with just their voice. Creativity stops being a privilege. It becomes a human right. Point three, AI helps us explore the unknown. AI can simulate visions humans can't easily create. New worlds, impossible shapes, alien architectures. It pushes art into realms that were once unreachable. Counterargument. But AI art isn't real art. It has no emotion, no soul, no personal struggle. Response. Emotion doesn't come from the tool. It comes from the human using it. A paintbrush doesn't have feelings. A camera doesn't have trauma. A piano doesn't have a childhood. Yet artists create masterpieces with them. AI is just a more powerful brush, one that still needs a human vision to guide it. Here's the turning point, the moment that should make every creator stop and think. If we shut AI out of the art world, we might be shutting ourselves out of the future. Because the real danger isn't that AI creates art. The real danger is that we refuse to evolve with it. Imagine a world where only the elite are allowed to use powerful tools. Imagine millions of voices silenced because their creativity doesn't fit the old rules. Imagine telling the next Picasso, who might be a kid with just a cheap phone, that they can't create because their tool is too advanced. We've made that mistake before. People said photography wasn't real art. People said digital art was cheating. People said electronic music wasn't music. Every time the world moved forward without asking permission. And here's the emotional punch. If we keep defining creativity by limitation, we risk killing the very thing that makes art powerful, human imagination. AI isn't the end of human creativity. It's the beginning of a new era where more people can create, express, dream, and share than ever before. But only if we choose to embrace it. So now it's your move. Should AI be allowed to create art, or are we crossing a line that risks losing what makes human creativity special? Tell me in the comments, is AI the future of art or the end of it? I want to hear your strongest arguments. Don't hold back. This is Donkey Debates, where we challenge assumptions, question everything, and sharpen our minds one debate at a time. If you love conversations that shake your thinking and stretch your perspective, subscribe and join the debate. New mind-opening discussions drop regularly, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.